Attractive inside and out and fun to drive, Volvo's smallest SUV is now upgraded with a 48-volt hybrid powertrain. The Volvo XC40 is the car everyone wants these days. Long, boxy, stylish and comfortable, the XC40 is one of the best-looking iterations of the compact luxury crossover formula. We've loved it since it first arrived in 2019, and a few updates for 2023 will add to its appeal. Along with slightly sleeker styling and exciting new colors, changes for the new model year include a revised powertrain and improvements to the Android-based infotainment system. We tested the 2023 XC40 in the Ultimate trim levels. Core, Plus and Ultimate trims replace the Momentum, R-Design and Inscription, and it's finished in the attractive $695 sage green metallic paint that you can see here. There were two more powerful engine options, a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 called the B5 with 247 horsepower and a new 48-volt hybrid system. If you opt for the $2,000 B5 upgrade, all-wheel drive is included, and the base engine is a less powerful version of the 194 horsepower 2.0-liter. This affordable unit is called the B4 and comes with front-wheel drive only. Despite the new nomenclature, the engine feels identical to the previous T5 unit, and the addition of the hybrid system doesn't significantly change performance. It hits 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds, faster than before. It's quite quick by the standards of this segment, and the 8-speed automatic reacts quickly and downshifts when overtaking or input requires more power. The 48-volt system also smooths out the engine's stop-start function, which is much less jarring than before. The full hybrid range is designed for fuel economy, but it rarely is. The EPA rates the 2023 B5 at 26 miles per gallon, up 1 mile per gallon from the T5. Although it's rated at 30 mph highway, it only managed a disappointing 27 miles per gallon in our real-world 75 mph highway fuel economy test. If the XC40 isn't green enough, there's always an electric version called the XC40 Recharge. This version is more expensive, starting at $54,645, but more powerful at 402 horsepower. Given that the XC40 starts at a relatively affordable $37,445, $50,190 for the top-end test sticker, it's surprising how well this package matches up to the luxury basics. The ride is comfortable and quiet, and the steering is confident with little feedback. We love spending time in the XC40. The spacious and thoughtfully designed interior offers ample storage space as well as premium materials such as exposed wood, metallic trim and beautifully grained plastics. Leave it to the Swedes to combine practicality and fashion with such confidence. Digital screens abound, including a 12.3-inch cluster screen that controls almost everything and a 9.0-inch touchscreen. We wish there were a few more physical knobs and buttons, but the touchscreen is responsive and the Android interface should be familiar to anyone who's ever used a smartphone. Some of the buttons on the screen are too small, like Volvo forgot to make them bigger than the size of the phone. The digital gauge cluster can also be a bit confusing as I had trouble finding the odometer. You can only see it when you press one of the buttons on the steering wheel. But these minor quibbles don't spoil our impressions of the XC40. The looks, handling and pleasant interior atmosphere more than make up for these technical notes, and it's an excellent choice if you're looking for a compact, high-quality SUV. It's the most affordable Volvo you can buy, but it rivals its more expensive siblings in brand appeal and likability.